Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangale Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. We are learning chapter number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Today's date is 15 July 2020. So see, from this lesson, now our only last point is remain. Yesterday we have learned the Bhosles of Verod. We have started to learn about their family, Bhosle family. In that, what we have seen? We have seen one diagram. See, Babaji Raje had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vitoji Raje. Then Maloji Raje married with Umabai. Maloji Raje and Umabai, they had two children, Shahaji and Sharifji. Okay. When the Shahaji was 5 years old, at that time Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. Then Vithoji Raje looked after the Jagir and these children. When Shahaji grown up, at that time he got married with Jizabai. Okay, so now today we are going to learn Shahaji Raje. What is our today's point? Shahaji Raje. Here I will write now Shahaji Raje. Our today's point's name is Shahaji Raje. See, Shahaji Raje. So open your textbook, page number 10. All I open it? Very good. So see, first of all, I'll read it. You will pay attention. Okay? See. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man, held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor, see one by one only will see. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred to Maloji Raje. See what Nizam Shah did. Whatever Jagir was offered to Maloji Raje, that Jagir is transferred to Shahaji Raje. All rights of that Jagir are given to Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man. Shahaji Raje was brave and capable man, held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. He held great respect in the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer. Conquer means take control of. See, the Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. See, first we'll see hard words here. First one is conquer. Conquer means to get control, to take control. Conquer means to take control of, and alliance means alliance. See, alliance means a union form, for mutual benefit. Alliance means a union formed for mutual benefit. See what they told? The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Means Mughal emperor decided to take control of Nizam Shah's kingdom. Who decided? Mughal emperor. They decided to take control of kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. For that, he made alliance with Adil Shah of Bijapur. Means Mughal emperor and Adil Shah, they became now one part. In simple word, okay? Or they become friend. That is called alliance, a union formed for mutual benefit. Means both of their benefit was there. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shah. See, Malik Ambar, Wazir or Chief Minister of Nizam Shah, he and Shahaji Raje both bravely fought against them to save Nizam Shahi, and they defeated both the armies. And they defeated both the armies. Which armies? Mughal Emperor and Adil Shah's, or Adil Shahi. We can say Adil Shahi, Adil Shah of Bijapur. They defeated their armies. This battle took place at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. This battle took place at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. Sharifji was killed in the battle, and Shahaji's brother Sharifji, he was killed in this battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor, means courage. Shahaji Raje displayed great courage. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. So Malik Ambar, who was Wazir of Nizam Shahi, he was also started to feel jealous because of Shahaji Raje's work. This gradually led to antagonism between them. This gradually led to antagonism, means opposition between them. This one opposition made between Shahaji and Malik Ambar. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah. And as a result, because of their internal quarrel, this Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and he joined Adil Shahi. He joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Who? Shahaji Raje. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar. And here Adil Shah honored him as the title Sar Lashkar, Chief of Army. He became their Chief of Army in Bijapur. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. Later on, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. Here, this side, Nizam Shahi. But the Wazir Malik Ambar died. After some days, Malik Ambar was died, and his scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. After the death of Malik Ambar, his son Fateh Khan became Wazir of Nizam Shahi. And during its period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. And during Fateh Khan's period, Nizam Shahi was declined. Means it was going to collapse. At about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression. So, Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi. So Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return again in Nizam Shahi, to join again Nizam Shahi. So therefore Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi. So because of Nizam Shah's mother's request, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shah's court and he joined again Nizam Shahi. See, therefore Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Like this, Shahaji Raje's work was there. Okay, so see, conquer means to take control of, and alliance means a union formed for mutual benefit. Do you understand this topic? Very good. So here our chapter is completed. So today's homework you will get at the last of this video on the screen. Thank you very much.